Starting in October 2021, Terra State will upgrade Banner Self-Service and will have a new look for student registration. This video will assist you in navigating the new screens, and if you need further assistance with scheduling, please reach out to your academic advisor or success coach. If you are self-registering, please have your advising sheet handy for reference for classes that you need to register for. To start the registration process, you will need to go to the my.terra.edu page and click on Links and go to the Banner Self-Service link. Once in Banner Self-Service, click on your Student tab and click the registration link. On this screen, you will see several tools that will help you with the registration process. First is the Prepare for Registration link. If you click that, click the drop-down menu to select a term and click Continue. This will show you your registration status as a student at Terra State. If all looks good here, you can continue with the registration process, but if you encounter any errors or issues, please contact your academic advisor. To continue registering for classes, you can click the registration link in the breadcrumbs at the top of the page, and then click the Register for Classes link. Again, choose the drop-down menu, selecting the term that you would like to register for classes, and click Continue. There are several different options on this page for adding classes to your schedule. You can create a plan with your academic advisor, or if you were sent CRNs, the course reference numbers, by a faculty member, you can submit the CRNs directly on this page. Just type in here and click Add to Summary. But the most common way students will register for classes is the Find Classes tab. On this screen, you can type in the subject. So if I'm looking for a General or Gen 1000 class, I would click General. And if I know the course number, I can put that in the course number box and then click Search. This will bring up all of the sections of this course that are available, and it's important to note the meeting times and also the status. There is one class that is full, so we'll skip that one. If I go down to the next few classes, there are no days highlighted, so that means that these would be online classes. But I want one on campus, so if I go down here, if I hover over this course, it shows me it has a class on Tuesday, and it's from 11 to 11:50. That works with my schedule, so I will click Add. And then what comes up here is your actual schedule on a calendar. So on the left here, I see my Gen 1000 first year seminar class on Tuesday at 11. And then over here on the right-hand side, it shows in the summary section. So again, the class is first year seminar, the course is Gen 1000, it's a lecture class, and it shows my status as pending and web registered. So if that looks good, I can just click Submit to submit that, or if I'd like to look for more classes, I can click Search again and just follow that same process. So I'm complete for this session. I just want to hit Submit. And then I get the message at the top here that my save was successful. Now my schedule on the left here has turned green to show that I'm registered for this class. And then over here, my status has changed to registered. If I need to drop a class, if I want to change a section, or if I need to drop, you can come over here and click the action bar, click that drop-down menu, and then you can add, drop, or delete. Just click that and click Submit again, and then it shows me again my save was successful. If I want to see what my classes look like, or to see my schedule, or to make sure that that class has actually dropped, go back to registration and go to Register for Classes. Again, drop down menu for the term, click Continue, and then look at your schedule and options. So here I have no registered or pending classes, so that means that the class that I dropped was successful. And again, if you need any help with scheduling, please reach out to your academic advisor or success coach. Thank you and good luck at Terra State.